Hey guys, today I would like to share you how to get a custom watch faces. With this app, it offers you a ton of Apple Watch faces and they are free. Now, all you have to do, make sure you go to this link. I will provide it in my video comment. And now, all you have to do, make sure you click on this green button, installation, and it will redirect you into the new tab. Hit on install the app, and then you will be able to see this page. This is an instruction video, but here it's gonna tell you the app that you need to download, but you can also click on the app store here. It will redirect into the app store directly. This is the app that you need. Hit on download, and you need to also install BN browser on your Apple Watch as well. So now here you're gonna search for watch. You're gonna go to the watch app, and then when you scroll all the way down, and now if it doesn't install, you need to hit on install manually. And now BN browser is installing on my device, so now let's wait a bit. There we go. Now I have the app on my Apple Watch. So now let's check on my Apple Watch here. There we go, this one. And now you will see something like this. So all you have to do, click on change watch on the top. You're gonna see the new watch face pop up, but you can also install more watch faces. So now let's go back into BN browser, and then you need to type changelewatch.com, and now click on search. After you click on search, and this is the page that you're gonna see. So now you need an account. Hit on personal, and from account here you can create your account if you don't have one. I have already created, so I can just hit on login, but if you haven't had it, you need to sign up. So now I'm gonna put my user ID and password to be able to log in. With this, it offers you including the paid and free one. To get like free watch face, you can just go ahead and type free here, and then it will appear a lot of free watch faces that you can add into your Apple Watch. So now for example, I can just go ahead and let's say I'm gonna add this one. I can just click on it, and then I need to add to my faces. Hit on OK, and after that I can just go back and go back again, and then hit on my faces. Now you need to transfer it into your Apple Watch. Click on this one, and then send to watch, and now you're gonna wait on your Apple Watch here, and now you can see it appear on my Apple Watch right there. And if you want it to show all the time, because sometimes when you raise, and it is going to go back into the default watch face on your Apple Watch, and to make it appear all the time, you need to go ahead and go back into the app, and then make sure you force touch on it, and now hit on more, and then make sure these options are turned on, and then going back. And now if I go back here, it will just kick back into the app, so the custom watch face will always appear. So you can see here, if I try to go back, it is just kick me back into the app, so it is going to appear all the time. And there are many more that I have here, like I can also get Apple Watch Series 4 watch faces and bring it back into my Apple Watch Series 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.